Here's a video that designs a stunning welcome slide in minutes using PowerPoint applications. First, you want to make sure that your PowerPoint application is open and you have created a blank slide. Once that blank slide is created, click on the Insert menu, select the shapes, and choose the rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle shape, covering the whole blank screen. Once the blank screen is covered with the rectangle shape, click on your Insert menu, select your text box, and you can now draw it over at the center of the blank slide. Let's type the welcome text. Select the welcome text, make it bold, change the font style by going into the fonts. Choose from the list the most bolded text. In this case, I'm choosing this particular font style, the Amasis. Click on it. Go to the font size, typing in your font size to 150 and press enter. Once the change is applied, you may want to make it to center. Once it's centered, your next step is holding on to the control key. Don't let it go. Click on your text box. We want to make sure that it's selected. Once it's selected, you would see that the edges of the text box is surrounded by white circles. While I'm holding on the control key, I'm also going to select the rectangle shape, and clicking on the rectangle shape, that will make it also selected. Again, you will see all the circles, white circles, surrounding the edges of your text box. Once that's done, you can release your control key, and your next step is to click on the search. From the search, you type the merge, and you choose from the merge the combine. Once it's combined, this will combine your text as well as the rectangular shape. The next step is to click on Insert, the video, and the stock videos, and choosing from the videos whatever you wishes to use as a video background of your text. In this case, I'm going to choose this particular video, and I'm going to click on Insert. This will place that video I have embedded on top of my text, but what I want is basically to place it behind my text. So I'm going to right click from that and send it to back. Here's how my welcome slide should look like. Then for me to test how it looks like, I'm going to hover over down to my slideshow and click on it to display how it looks like. Here is how the simplest way you can create your stunning welcome slide in presentation. Thank you for watching.